Welcome, Speak My Mind family, to the day in the week where most 9 to 5 people are like say Monday. As me say, once worse if you work from Monday to Friday and you get the Saturday, Sunday off and you go back and work Monday. Just like me when me I go to school, me have Saturday, Sunday half. Jesus, I want the hardest thing to wake up. But so be the case, the bills have to pay. Yeah, you can end up being a nuisance to people and want people go work while you sit down and collect. Anyway, Speak My Mind people, I come to do one video upon a certain individual we have not done in a long while. And really, the video was so disgusting that I cut out a lot of things out of it. But this is the way the fishy in the plan to come out here and behave in the manner or how him behave. Because him feel like say, oh, that will pull a string in a Donna. Oh, that will make she come out here, come address him. Oh, that will make he feels good. Oh, that will make he get a lot of views. But Donna's used to all these things by now. And all the things that you come out here and speak of, trying to make she look bad. Remember, please remember, and nobody else did come tell you no. Please remember, and not only did gonna go find it out for herself. As she see one come out here, come talk. And this is what I say all the while. Not for only no bold to come talk about on the past, cause on the past is so disturbing, it even worse. Right now on the past, no care what kind of good future you have ahead of you, or what kind of goodness you enjoy now at this present moment. You past overshadow all of that. And in life, you have to know your past if you know where you are going in the future. But let me tell you something with you now. There's a saying in the fishery world. And when I say the fishery world, I mean not quote unquote that type of person there, but fishery world, as in fishing, we're really out at sea, where you put in your kitchen and cook. Yeah. You have a certain fish out there they call barracudas. Yeah. One long fish, long so dangerous fish in the water and then we attack you. Whereas when you have him food and him want it, the food where you go look, which is fish, him see with that, he might come at your feet. And you have to know how you approach him if you even want him to be a part of your food. Because them have some teeth long so. So them teeth then long in their head. When they go so. Anyway, those type of fish that the words even say they are poisonous. People say it's not the fish itself, because right now, well, it's the fish itself, but them say why back then them used to say certain time of the year, because when certain ship used to come into the harbor, them used to either follow the ship from out of deep, most of those barracudas, and them eat some whatsoever from the ship that carry that something. So them used to say certain time of the year them not good. But the point to me I get at, put that aside, is that barracuda is also a fish them say with the same at the same point something or another. Yeah. You say if you catch a barracuda from in the water, and when you look upon him, because barracuda normally have a lot of parasite in the water that stick on them face and all about. Sometimes you look, you say 100 you want this good. But if you don't know, you wouldn't know, say these are parasites that's on the barracuda. And these parasites would not be on the barracuda if the barracuda wasn't good. And if you happen to catch a barracuda, and when you take him up in have none of those parasites, and you want to know if that barracuda is good, just put him down for a few moments. And if you not see and start take that, you know, so you run the risk and eat that. But once you see and start take it, and even fly start pitch pan it, you know it's good to go. So I said that to say this. Donna is so good like gold that these parasites have to live on her. When it's not one, it's the other. And it come like because them trying to farm them crew, because as on the hear what they I am same one me hear a talk about, oh come, let's farm our crew. Yeah, make a post so me to come read out. Cause them are going like say they are what? Well, we've got already word where, like what I want to say, they are going like them are untouchable. Let's come on. Tina, the Marcia, the Lorraine, the whole of you, come, let's go. And come and farm and, yeah. So you notice, Marcia, she run out one day. Laura run out too. Tina run out. And remember, you know, the whole of them have them differences, you know. You understand? But guess what, me know? Donna is like a barracuda. They are the parasites. The barracuda good, they come and live on the barracuda. Because without living on the barracuda, they cannot be fed. But they spin it around and say it the other way around. Recently, me hear Tina say, if she don't come out, come call Donna name. The same somebody will come out publicly come say, content that Donna carries no content at all coming out here come talk about what granny say, where granny teach her, where she learn a country. And this woman still have thousands of people sit down and watch and listen to all of these things. And she were carrying things that is current, that people want to hear. There is nobody watching her of such. There is no beneficial, no benefits towards what she is doing to earn something from her platform. But the woman we are chat crap I earn. Anyway, we're getting at the video. As I say, some part of this video might sound away, but it's nothing new, and he's not saying nothing that we have never heard before from him. Plus what he's trying to say to carry down Donna, make Donna feel a sort of way. These are the things that Donna herself come out here come tell we. That them parasite you could have able to know and hear. They make it look like a them find out Donna business, whether it in a secret or, you know. So, I want to know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and I'm asking you please to watch the ads. That's how the channel gain a revenue. And please remember to continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed, which it is so evident that there's so many of you over here that is not subscribed. I mean, not talk about people who just come subscribe to the channel. I talk about someone where they are a long time, because what only no like want to see a go on over this. So at this one I prefer, but it's still a fraction on we still come out here in the comment section. When tired of this, when can't take no more of this, but it's still the things them would expect on if you want to watch now, on still not supporting it. Unless one of the elsewhere support other people. So basically, when you use we over here so for the mix up. When you use me, when you use the chin, when you use the latest, when you use who again out here do look a business where have other channel and where it come like that when you do it. And then you go elsewhere go support consciousness and, you know, things we want to feel. So what about we with our other channels? We want to come over here, so most time a fraction I want to come criticize what we are do, but we not so over there support the other channels. Then we are bring the latest news, you know, some other little type of content when I really, you know, have nothing to do with this. So Life is a Mission TV, YouTube, TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and please remember to support the merch and the website charmsandtrends.shop. T-shirts speak my mind, Life's a Mission, caps speak my mind, tumblers, you name it. Just check out the website and make your purchase. The more you support the merge, the more I get closer to adopt my 5 persons that I want to adopt, to make sure when it touch this time of the month I have 5 persons to give back some grocery to. Oh, when you hear from what you may talk about Raymond people, that I don't know how I add Raymond in the 2, in the 5, but I don't know how I never add him to the 2. I don't know how that Raymond should have really in the 2. Especially he was the first person I give back to when I start this little give back business. You know, and based on his condition, and you know, Raymond, me and him more closer than everybody else where did really project to be into the 5. I don't know how serious it is, but I got a sad news today. I don't know if him come out of the hospital already or what, but it's today I got the news that he has picked up a strokes. But the good thing about it is on his right side. Because you know your left side are the danger side where your heart depend on them something there. My grandfather they pick up about 5 strokes. And the doctor say I force him see this. You understand? One man catch 5 strokes in no time on one side, but the good thing about it was the right side. Probably if it was the left side, he would not have been with us that long time after. before Father God did take him. Yes, because up on the right side. So I don't know how serious it is, but by tomorrow I will be going to the shop to get tall man. I don't see the woman today. Today she should have come to me because today is the 25th. I don't see her. I don't hear she call. So I will be looking out for her tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll be going shopping for a tall man and get some groceries for Raymond. As I said, I say I can force in something for Raymond this month. Because how I get to find out there's another friend of mine who, because me telling her Raymond fix like little small appliances despite him disabled in a wheelchair because he used to do that before. So my virgin must carry one fan for him, go fix it because I'm gonna fix fan if them stop and aisle them and something, TV, them little something there. And them get to understand that Raymond hand, him can't pull nothing because he can't hold nothing with him hand. And his right hand would I normally use to pull down the appliance them. So that's something get to understand. So tomorrow me find out much more to Tuesday. Yeah. But that even make it worse, me have to try for adding. So the more I support the merge, I desert there and watch the ads and support the channel. Alright? I could get another video, yeah. Me I talk too much. But you don't know me have to relate the things where I go on just like real life stories same way. You understand? And no phone on a love scroll. Because you don't want to run into the mix up. But these are the things that sometimes we sit down and hold our reasoning and talk about. It's not all the while just running at the mix up. We're going to think me not go live. Because I knew if I don't go live, no phone is not going to be supportive. Because if them type of mix up and talk, we don't want to hear nothing. We can't sit down and hold a reasonable reasoning, big woman and big man reasoning. Talk about what is presently happening in and around Jamaica, in and around the world. You know? And go into the comment section and interact and think. We're not going to do that. This is what I want to hear. Listen. Hold on though.
I can't me I try to chat to girls. Can't me. Donna who she a chat to. Donna who you a chat to.
I don't know what Donna
Can't me I
said.
try to chat to girls.
I don't know, honestly, I mean I know. Because I go to in the evening and see that video, yeah. Because somebody may get to watch most of Donna video. I'm like them, trust me.
I mean I talk to.
Because most of them Donna they like me asleep. Me busy. I do some work. So in the night when we come in, Donna know the live and sometimes if you not hear something happen, we not go on our page to search.
Fearfully what one up top. Blood clot time. I hope you know that. Me keep on telling you, me keep on telling you, avoid me. Avoid me. When I like me, I'm in a like on the back to it's okay. Go on about on business. But then my combo, you get my combo. Because I don't know you think you're styling. I can't, you think you cannot style me, you cannot style me. That means you can't blood clot style me. Wrong stop. Hop up your blood clot fat bus and find another bus stop. Hop up your bus and find another stop. You hop off of the wrong stop here. Then I'm not bow down to you. I'm not bow down. I'm not humble nothing. The way
Yeah, my bad boy, I'm not bow down to her, I'm not bow down to her. And after, oh, as me saying to people, I don't know what channel seem like fully, you know. But, may I tell you, him sound so disgusting. Because him tried his best for the suck out, tell Donna about her mother, how under her stay, what happened make Donna come here, and all kind of sitting. Because him go to the deepest depth. Because him want a response from Donna. I made just sit down and look at him and say, what is boy, you know? What him a force to do what him a do? Force to do what him a do. Because him possess. Him obsessed with the woman. At the end of the video, him go and prove him obsession. Because all the eye tone him be depend, him just come right down. Oh, she fails me. Oh, I really love her. Oh, I believe in her. That is a sign of obsession. Because when Donna fail you with, you feel yourself and I blame people.
you know you with my name down myself. Only should have thought about that today. Yes, today when I was on my live stream talking about God, only should have thought about that when I come to my live stream and did what you did to me. Only should have realized it was gonna wake up a blood clot ancestors.
try conquer you now.
Ridicule your picnic, ridicule your blood clot.
Yo.
This is a bad
You
blood
just feel like you're so important out here.
You're deaf. Me now bow down, me now backbone.
You know out here a seek validation. You know out here a seek attention. But it's still deep down, you feel like you is a big thing. If one is a big thing, you don't need to seek attention. If one is a big thing and that important, you don't need to seek validation. Those things will just come to you. Attention will just come to you because you're big enough and important like that. Validation, you will just get that because you're important. But deep down in you don't feel like you is so important. But you're running out here day in seeking validation, seeking in... Well, I don't know. I don't know what, why. Me couldn't have myself, one say them a big deal. Majority of them say them very important. But yet still, you run out here and seek attention. You out here seek validation. When people now look upon you, people now sue you, the simplest thing people say when you concern you take it upon yourself, who people attack. The simplest thing where people say where it no concern you, but you have to dip on the mouth in it because you want start a controversy because what? You want to call those people name where you put on the mouth in the thing because you want the attention now. I want to sound big and important. Come on, man. No important now, no. Where is the importance? Eh? No important. Where is the importance? Coming out here seeking, and can't find.
Wanna feel like what's wrong with people? Who is that big hello? But they actually Mashir. Sorry, Mashir. I come into no blood clot. Me have a number. Me have a number here. Donna, and this man I will call you on your phone. Donna, me will call up your phone and make one girl say, Auntie, one for the live stream, and we will done your girl. I'll cuss you and make a normal pussy go. Leave.
So you call Donna with find a number then and make a girl Auntie just she should start talking and open the line. Which the line will have to have open for we to hear the girl there. But Auntie, by the time you first start cuss, so what you can't tell Donna no for hurt her. Donna never allow you to stuff your head betwixt her crotch yet. And it's one time you ever meet her. And if that time was even an opportunity for you to stuff your head betwixt her crotch, you would not get that opportunity. You know the reason why? You were smelling so filthy. I hear you said in this video that you were born at Natal Hospital and who couldn't pay for that, and when you're born and when you were growing up, you don't even want to pass offer tree because below offer tree is kind of filthy and you don't like to smell filth, so you don't pass offer tree. So how you are managing now with this whole heap of filthy smell around you on a day-to-day basic, fly following you like when slaughterhouse throw the carcass them from outside of where they do the production of these animals and they throw the carcass outside and fly just a follow it as a fly follow you. How you manage that now? Because you never grow in it. So how you manage it now? This is why I always tell you say, and I wanna come from a wanna they know. All those rich life and big money life that you talk about, is it showing now? When all these stench that you used to afraid to go beyond Offer Tree because you don't want to go below Offer Tree to end up in Crossroad and downtown because of the stench. You yourself personally carrying all these stench now. So how are you managing? You are innate, you get immune to it, so you're not going to smell it. But you're supposed to be ashamed. You're supposed to be ashamed because you never liked stench before. But now you're a walking stench.
Move it. Take that one out of your face.
He might go to the
I
deeper
don't
part
want to
I
school,
know.
me go back up in a Stacy and cuss me. Me say, watch ya. How did Stacy insert herself in a mic argument? Me have no argument. Yesterday, me never cussed them. Me have no argument with nobody. Me come out, come talk, me like to talk about my business. Me go back
So all those other people who not in an argument with nobody are in an argument with you, and you insert yourself because you see it fit to pick up people's business or pick up something that the person has said or talking about as their topic to go on your platform to create a content. It's just the same. So if Stacey feel like she see you say something or something say or whatsoever, and she feel like come out, come talk, she has a platform just like you. She's her own big person, just like you. She have her own mouth, she not pay a license for it. So if Stacey want come out here, come say something or talk something, that not have nothing to do with you. Whether your name involved or not, that you're going to say, you never come out here, come trouble. You don't have to trouble nobody. Nobody not trouble you when you come out here, come in a problem with them. You just take people business and create your content. So you have to definitely trouble somebody for them trouble you. When you are troubling nobody, they not trouble you.
If Stacey had cussed me, for what? What she had cussed me for? You know, me never stop listening. Me never stop listening. Yes, my mother, you is out here supporting Chris. You're supporting Kazim. You're supporting Andre. You're supporting a lot of them, which means nothing is wrong with me. Hello? I love my homosexual life. It is natural. It is my life. Stop being so concerned about my life. Go focus on your life and make sure you make sure you make it.
You saw it funny? Him love his life. His Oma life. Well, it's your life. You choose to live your life. What you want to live. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny. What I say? Every man got a right to decide his own destiny. But that not say two man for you go up and like no lady. But your choice. So why when other people make them choice you have problems? And that choice you make in the sight of God, it's not right. In the sight of God, it's not right. So why you have a problem with people when they make other choices that God don't have a problem with, but you choose to think that you're supposed to have a problem with it? And where you are do, you don't have no problem with it. But it's something wrong in the sight of God. Make that make sense?
Ivan, you hear? Don't worry about me. I'm good over here, son. I'm good. My mom loves me. Homosexual, my mother loved me. My father loved me. Until this day, they've not rejected me. And they know.
I'm not gonna reach now.
So what I tell them, say, shut up. Go suck out a big hole. Go suck out a big crutches. Go do that. Come off. Now come back. Go away. Tell that damn fool there. When I go away. When I go away. Avoid me. It is not hard. Avoid me. Leave me alone. You see me? Me love peace now. Me love peace now. Me love peace now. But you see, when I feel like so, when I can't walk over me, and this I have a problem. No girl. No, listen, if having a brain tumor did not fucking matter on my blood clot, if having a stroke did not matter on my pussy, if having a blood clot kid problem never mind me, who's any of you?
So why you
Who's
make
any
Donna
of you?
not speaking to you, Amad you?
Why me? Hello? I am great. I'm fucking great. Dana, who you chat to? Dana, who you talk that? I mean, big old Dana, who you talk that? I mean, Dana, me hear something today. She,
But you should have shame. You're calling a woman that when she's a woman, we're supposed to have something to insert in a she. So if she feel big, so be the case. She makes some with something that something supposed to insert in. You never make with nothing we're supposed to insert in. You understand? You make with something we're supposed to be an exit without an entrance. and you end up with it being an exit and an entrance. You understand? And what you done, you make, because of you creating an entrance, mash up the exit part. And this is why you are into a filthy stage so often. You have to be in Pampers, you have to be changing Pampers on a regular basis when you get the assistant. Because by you creating the entrance that's supposed to only have the place that's supposed to only have an exit, you end up destroy the exit. So the whole of your quinty mash up. So as soon as you feel like you want to defecate, you have to do that. You can't hold that. And that is what is happening to you. Whenever time you want to defecate, that's it, because you cannot move fast enough. So you're not supposed to tell a woman, a female, say her something big. She born with something, if take things in there, where if whatsoever bigger or whatsoever, and then they go and gym and exercise and tighten back the muscles and those stuff, or if they go and have babies and don't exercise and then and it just flap over, so them a female. But we make your one open up, so like when Turbit or Dr. Skin up in a pot. Shame on you if you have to tell a woman say she big when you open up, that not even your stools you can't hold. You saw you have big up who call you and tell you say Donna call your name and say what Donna say. But if somebody else call somebody and tell them boy you without cuss them and without do everything, I want to have the same thing I go on for Uno. But thing about it, the life where you live as a kid, she couldn't do it. That's the way you feel. But as I said, where are you now? Where are you now? What kind of life you're living now comparing to Donna? With all the rich and the money life where you live and you're born in Natal Hospital, where is a hospital where they say after the upper class people, poor people can't go there. Where are you now comparing to even Donna? Right now you live off of government and taxpayers. With all where you say your mother have and your mother own, you are living off of government and taxpayers. If your mother did have it so much like oh you attack, you shouldn't be living off of government. You should have leave that space to somebody else to fill. So don't come out here come boast like you're this independent person from your born until now. And I compare to somebody who is far better off than you in a life where health and wealth is concerned. Not cussing you about your health, but where health and wealth is concerned, despite you in this video cussing the woman about her health, cussing her mother about her health. You understand? And forgot that you are like a bedridden person. Sickness not put on a weight for nobody special. Sickness not tell nobody when it a come. Some sickness you might see some signs. You understand? But the more crucial one, most of them not show signs, is when it get out of hand. And you go a doctor and doctor give you all kind of tests you go do. And now when you do 10 tests you can't find out what your problem. Till them start call doctor around there, so doctor around there, so doctor up there, so doctor down there, so. And now 10 of them going to one little boardroom and try to figure out things. Them time they getting worse. If it could have look off in an early stage, it can't look off because it never detect early. So it gone out of stages now where it can't, nothing can do to it. So sickness not put on a weight for nobody. So when I use sickness cost nobody. But with all like you know where in a your position and still I try to use people health and cost them. People that really want to sit down behind closed door and I cuss somebody where I cuss you about your sickness. When you in a your type of sickness where you're in a, that you can't even move fast enough to go to the bathroom. You understand what I say? Imagine the time you get up at the oh, hold on, I need to go to the bathroom. Me know before you reach the bathroom, you pee up yourself. But it's just a shame of you sitting rightish by there and know say you want to do that and just do it. You just feel like say probably, you know, mind over matter, you feel like say we on the outside looking in on the camera or on our phone, seeing you doing your life, I go see say yeah do that there so. So your mind play you so you try to get up and rush to the bathroom. But we know you cannot reach to the bathroom quick as fast enough. You don't want to reach there. Then again you cannot have a piss pot side of you neither. You more have one bag pan you. So when you're ready, just let it go, nobody don't even know. Because if you even have a pail or a piss pot side of you have to go take it up. And we are going to say you take it up. And we are going to see you at the pan. And we are going to realize say your hand play you so. Say that you do. And you come out here and cause people about them health.
Barracuda, today we'll set up blood clot evidence of that girl. Go where you're a fucking sufferer. You was born a sufferer. Donna, you was born a sufferer to the body. You don't tone. I dry your big blood clot. Blow them cool. Panty, tissue, dry.
Where is she now to you? You're born rich. Where are you now?
My father, none of my family has ever.
You're born rich. Where are you now? You never did a draw sippers. Your mother never did a suffer. Your father never did a suffer. Where are you now? Donna now live off a government subsidy. Where are you now? She used to draw sippers. She used to this. She used to Tara. You never know that. You never go find and pay a private investigator to find out that. You understand? She come tell you that. Or something you couldn't know that. So how you have to take that cuss her? How you have to take something cuss her where she come out and come tell you, she put on the lighthouse top where everybody could have know. Even the school children them in England, that's where they know that. Because she put it out there. And that you come out here for use a cuss her? You're not throwing no weight. You're coming like a jukebox string up against Stone Love. You're not throwing no weight. Or can you come string up a jukebox alongside Stone Love? Eh? Or can you string up a jukebox alongside Lover's Choice? Wait. But me call every sound. How can you string up a jukebox against 4x4? Exodus? Father Does. Eh? How can you come string up a jukebox? You're not throwing no weight. You don't have no baseline. We don't even hear your tweeters. You're tapping low. Because all of this way you come out with a Donna come out and come telling us. So you're not showing no weight.
Them blood clot off them downtown. I walk past it on my bomber clot. Donna, my family have shame, my family have blood clot, my family have bomber blood clot education because I'm coming.
With the education between your family.
You see me? Donna, tell something. My dad was an army man. You hear me? My dad was in the army. You hear me?
When your dad is in the army, what you have to do?
Donna,
You know, let me tell you
I know
something.
for a fact you
You know when you phone feel like money can't buy love. Money can't buy life. Money can't buy respect. Money can't buy love. You have to know real wealth. No phone too hype. You know? We don't want to pick the fruits before the fruits ripe. And then when the people them know, we sit down and wait to feed them fruits ripe, we sell them slippers, draw them slippers downtown, sell them banana chips, sell them soap, sell them this, sell them that, go to school gate, go sell them things at school gate. Sit down and wait till them fruits ripe and pick it, and I reap the benefit and I inherit from it. Uno no like see that. While Uno come ban, as calling to Uno ban come see fruits are ripe. But when the fruits are ripe, Uno eat everything one time. Uno dash out, Uno for dash out, Uno never share the wealth. So now calm and reach Uno feel like so if come bring down other people, go Uno too.
was a born at home baby. I know for a fact you, if in a body yard, you're born in a blood clot Jubilee hospital, which means you're a public baby.
You're born at Natal. Is that something that make you have two life over somebody who born a Jubilee? You born private. And me and Donna born public and everybody else born public. That gives you two life? I don't know. Is that give you a different status in the country of Jamaica? Is it that you born at Natal make you a diplomat of Jamaica? Is it that make you an ambassador of Jamaica? You born at Natal and anybody else born at Jubilee? I want to tell you this, if there was any complication when you are born at Jubilee, you'd end up. Not UC, Jubilee. Try remember that. It is the biggest and largest and best. No matter what, where you go. Maternity hospital. In the Caribbean. Make a note of that. The biggest and largest and the best, whichever you want to put it. Maternity hospital. In the Caribbean. Not just Jamaica. So if when you did a born in Natal, your mama pay much money for you born in Natal, complication did develop. A straight down a public you end up and go cross over Jubilee. So make it make sense what you talk about. You make it look like you born in Natal, make you have two life. You being an ambassador because you're born in Natal, or you being a diplomat of Jamaica because you're born in Natal. Move. Move. Some things want to come out and come boast and brag about and now look on the state of you. Look at the state of you right now. Why don't you come back to Natal who know all about you from your barn to make them see if them can work out something for you? Them know all about you from your barn. They are the manufacturer of you. Or they were the dealer of you. Your mother was the manufacturer, them was the dealer. Them deliver you. Come back now. I'll make them see if them can work for you and sort you out. Cool your toe.
You mean? Me and my siblings were planned. Me and my siblings were planned. You hear me, Donna? We are no mistake. My father never raped my mother and breed her. Your dad did. Your papa raped your father and fucked your mother and...
So let me ask you a question. You and your sibling did plan. So your mama and papa did plan for you becomes who you is now. Your mama and papa did plan for you be who you is right now. And in the condition where you there right now, because me don't know the difference. You have man married to them woman and take it and them call it grape. Not the sour one or the sweet one. Grape. So what you say? What you say? Oh, you know all of this? Is it a private investigator that you hired come tell you all of this? Was it that you born and grew in the parish or the district where Donna and her mother come from and you didn't know all of this? Donna come out and come tell you all of this. Eh? So oh now make it look you and others will come out and come talk all this. Make it look as if it was a secret and I want to find it out and talk. This can't jerk, Donna. That's what you're trying to do, you and many others, you know. This cannot jerk, Donna. Because if it could have jerked her, she wouldn't come out here, come talk. Because I don't know, she forced to talk. So when you know, come out here with all of them, something on a child, I'll make on a face look ugly down, ugly already like, Una say something with a chum fire. So when it connect to her, it will go burn. It won't burn. As she make you know. Always remember that. Go find some things where she afraid to come out and come talk with happen. And come expose her. Since you don't want to bring her down, you don't want to drag her down. You go find some things where nobody don't know about, where happen, carry on the evidence on the proof come, and come. Because we don't do that, we still can't drag her down. Then a born, how she born are coming at the earth, how she coming at the earth to be a purpose. Unlike you where your mama and papa plan for you. And them never plan for you coming at God earth. Or come on God earth has no purpose. Fi serve no purpose. You understand? So God make Donna come how she come. The way how you say her father grape her mother. That's a purpose, child. You see her purpose? Many are who born the right way and the nice way end up like you and worse than you. Most time things happen, those kids, check it out. Most time those kids are purpose child. Them come out to be better than the average person who you consider to be, yes. Like how you feel like you're born a Natal and your mother and your father did plan for you and plan your life now where you live and the stage of where you're there. So your sister sometimes not good for plan and not everything if you plan if you just make things happen. And that's how God works. Sometimes things just happen and you question it, not question it. God work. That's why Donna end up be a purpose child. One more you gotta tell her. Come no, one more you can't tell her. What you can't say what we don't know
You
about.
are a mistake. Do you hear me?
One more you can't talk what we
A
don't know.
mistake. A fluke. You was not meant to happen. But shit, you happened. You fucking happened, dirty girl. You fucking happened. If I was Lulu, I would hate you. You know why? Because you, I would see as a rape baby. If I was Lulu, I would hate you because I see as a rape baby. And I'm in love with father. Your father will be.
So if your mother not hate you, we share your father plan for you why you come out to be this. And you claim to say your mother is a godly woman. And your father and her plan, you're a planned baby. A planned thing supposed to be perfect, you know. Because you plan it. So you're supposed to work out all the do's and the don'ts. Work out where mistake can make, work out depends on what kind of thing it's all about. And if you were a planned baby and you becomes this person, and your mama, no shame on you. She love you as according to what you say your mama love you. Come on. Why Lulu supposed to be ashamed of a purpose child that she brought here? When God a work, you allow God to work. What is to be must be. And if I saw Donna did to come from Father God land, I saw him want her to come, yes. You can't turn back the hands of time. Probably if you could have turned back the hands of time, you'd have go back up in your mama and come back out a different way. Probably footway this time instead of headway.
Fuck me and breed me. In fact, I probably would have aborted you. If I was a woman, I would have aborted you. I would not want to bring such an abomination to the blood clot world.
When you talk about abomination, talk about yourself with your lifestyle where you are live at a tender age. Very tender age you live that the lifestyle, you know. So I use abomination.
You understand, Donna? Donna, do you know where I was born? I was born at Natal Hospital. A lot of you may know say, when a family don't have the money, look at the man as such.
People in born at Natal Hospital and get 2 lives. Not one, 2.
Donna, my life in Jamaica as a child was privileged. Donna, my life in Jamaica as a child was privileged.
Yo!
Donna, me as a child, me, nah, got nowhere past Africa. Understand?
Listen, mess up.
Me nah, got nowhere past
Right now,
Africa.
in
You know why?
Stenchy. I'm listening.
Going downtown, I was stinky. The stench was too much for me. I don't like it. Some say, can't have them place there. Nowhere past half, when I go nowhere past half a tree. That's the first I'll go. When I got a cross, so when I got a downtown, not my place. I'm in uptown.
And you hear why I'm not go? Because him couldn't take the stench, the smell of going below half a tree, going crossroad to downtown. And right now, him is a walking sewage plant. Right now, he's a walking sewage plant. That all flyer swarm him. Can you imagine you sitting on a chair and not even 5 minutes after you sit on the chair? It come like it's a beehive. Somebody go, you know, like when people come mess on a beehive. And the bees them, you juke down the beehive with the honey and the bees them just start attack. I saw the man sit down on the woman chair and not even 5 minutes after, you know. Fly just swarm down, you know. How you manage walking like a human sewage plant? How you manage? If somebody will grow not wanted to come below Alfred Tree because of the stench going into downtown Kingston. How you manage now walking as a permanent sewage plant? With that stench coming from some part of your body. Huh? My life setting in my house, people.
Are you proud? I'm sure your mother's ashamed of you. I'm sure that's your mama duffing your fucking market as a bitch. To the dirty woman. Go away.
Your mother should have left you not tall and walk out, left you up.
Go drop down. I'm coming.
And not tall, your mama should have left you and walk out, left you right on all work road. Probably when you born them time the Regal was still around. Which part has on Super Center there right now. Right across from Natal. You understand? Or your mama should carry around a Melmac Avenue there. So right around the by the whole heap of optician place there. Right around by my dentist the people. Yes, right across from there so you know. Natal Hospital there for who no know. Your mama should carry around there so in the night. And left you around there on the little dark corner and the dark bend there so. Make tomorrow man when the security them come and work, them on here. And when they come look down see one little whingy wet rat somebody like you. Yes man. And up to today you shouldn't know your mama you talk about Donna mother should have left her. That's why Donna mama left her there so. And you should have left somewhere. Cause you say you come and not serve no purpose. You come and not serve no purpose. I know what's planned baby. We're not supposed to be so perfect. I want to come and not serve no purpose.
The people and me not live the life yet. Them the whole of them feel alive. Them got dead before me. I eat that.
All of your life. When you talk about you know this, you can have them to live.
That's only I said them I got dead first. So no what's gonna cost me? I said you want I said them. I'm a call them. I said I call them for them. I said them I got dead first before me dead. Understand? So what is the agenda? Anyway, come on that page. I'm a drop my comment. I'm a sorry, tell them to say. Me don't want to lie to anybody. But that's the truth. I mean, not to lie to myself either. My right say. Dog them leave me the bomber clad alone. Tell your dog them to leave me the bomber clad alone. A lot of exhibition.
You was the only dog in a flanker shop. That's why we get rid of you.
Right, Donna?
You was the only dog in a flanker shop. That's why we get rid of you.
Yes, I want to leave my comment. Okay.
And you wasn't even a quality dog.
Even delete your comment. How is that affecting my life? It's not. I don't care. Myself, I don't understand. As long as I listen my comment, I want to see it. No. I don't know. Say, for me, if I come on a page, I write them something. That's just me a bad blood clot. Duh. And you know what? I never see it. So you know what? Let me come in and not pay and write that bomb and sign on my fucking name. Come on to listen to that middle that blood clot. Duh. I should tell you.
more
Donna's a
crosses.
bigger crosses than me. Donna's a bigger crosses than me.
Your past
Let's be real.
crosses.
Donna is a bigger crosses than me.
Your past sitting over tying one scandal bag with a big stone and carry the deepest part of the sea go left
None
it.
of you can say I've ever stolen from any of you, but I can say Donna has stolen from me. Right? I will only say she thief from me. She stole my money. And I ate that. She robbed me. Using deceitful tax, she robbed me. Get over it, Donna. Get over it.
You are the one that's supposed to get over it. You know why you're supposed to be the one get over it? The back end of last year to early this year, you have come out here more than one time. People type in your comment section, say this woman is a thief. You say you can't say she's a thief. Reason being, she never thief you yet. So you can't come out here come say she's a thief. But all of a sudden, she is it. And you want to bring other people evidence which has no solid ground, where people record and say them send this and them send that and she this and she that. What about your experience? For someone who used to be the self-proclaimed planker head boy, who claimed to say you have donated so much of your pension to the program when you were not called to do so. You were not asked to do so. You were not forced to do so. You do so off your own will because you were buying a space like you think it was land for sale or house for sale or storage for sale. You come out here and buy a space over planker shop. You understand? So you have no evidence of this woman taking anything from you, but you want to bring other people who claim to say they were also a donor to say she stole from them. What about you that we sure you were someone who used to contribute to individuals who you want to contribute to? Because you look the likes, you look the fame, you look the boss, you look for that pin badge on you to say, okay, you're officially not a self-proclaimed head boy of planker shop, but now you were an official head boy by planker shop. And that's what you did by, you know. You can't prove that she take nothing from you, but all of a sudden she's and you can prove it with other people. What about your evidence?
I said it already, it's out there. Why are you so pained? Why the fuck are you so pained? Okay, you know what's that true? Okay, you know what's that true though? It bunny if you know some video we can poop see your teeth. It bunny if you know some me have record them voice my phone was it people see your teeth, them blood clot money, it bunny though.
People are free, can't say anything.
You know what I'm saying, bunny? That time I know what happened to them is leave me alone. Come in and stop. I don't rate her. I don't rate her.
Alright, hear him
I
now.
don't rate her backside.
Hear him now. When I top of the video, I tell you to listen to him at the end of the video.
It's not the gun. There's none left
Our
fire.
obsession, I beat him. Listening.
I know so funny about this whole thing. And this is me real now. I genuinely had a love for that woman. I did.
Yo!
I genuinely had a love for that woman. If it knows that someone you put so much
On the
faith and
possess,
so
man.
much trust in, fucked you over.
Possess or no possess, man.
Because them broke out get bad price. Fucked you over. How would you feel? How would I feel? Would I feel fuck up too? Would I feel fuck up too?
Possess, you possess, man. You're obsessed with the woman. After how many months now,
Whoever came from
you
one
can't
place
get
to place
over.
not.
Get over. We know you can't walk fast enough to get over. But if I'm to drop over then. If you can't walk over, step over, jump over, drop over no man,
Really?
at least you get
Fucked
over.
us over. She fucked us over. Big time.
You old piece of shh.
And now
walking
But you guys
cesspool,
want to encourage her to do it with the
walking
thing.
sewage plant,
To make herself look good.
walking pit
I do
latrine.
this in the right way.
You talk about
And fuck
downtown
what she did before.
stench. And right now you're living in a terrible stench.
That's
Right
a
now
bumble
the
clot.
little ear where you sit down
That's
in
a
a,
bumble clot, girl. Donna, fuck
the
you.
little ear where you sit down in a right now.
Donna, go fuck yourself.
Not even a corner down a
I feel
King
abused.
Street no smell so where the madman them there and the
feel
homeless
abused.
people them there.
And that's just it. I feel abused.
You abuse yourself.
And she knows she abused me. She knows. You know, so funny hearing someone tell you, oh, them love you. Them love you. I've noticed that love was fake. Not like I was out here seeking love. Because I was not. But when I was
You were seeking love. But true the woman tell you say she love you, she will allow you to cause mischief and try to bring down people and then it reflect back on she and her platform and her Planka Nation support. She will allow you to do that. And she did allow you a lot of times in a sense where you have created a mischief out there and the backlash come over you so because them say yes a Planka him say so a Donna this a Donna that and the Planka them and this and that. You understand? And when you cause your mischief with your people, it feedback on she block you, she this, she that, she pull you. Oh, Donna loves me, and you go back and boast on the people them where cause the problem, where you cause the problem with the woman have to block you because she don't want, she want kind of separate herself from the people them know so watch out. But because you know you just seems to be this convincing person sometimes and to her heart so soft, she always a pull you. But this time she find which part the lock the dash where the lock Marcus Garvey sell. And I it she use and lock you out this time. Lock can't pull. Remember them say you know the lock where the lock Marcus Garvey sell, you know. I know that the lock they not pull again, you know. Cut them, they have to cut it off me here and them go. I it that not fine. And it's still in a good condition. Could I use me? I know how she use it. And clamp you. But you never know so that day they are gonna come. Cause you feel like every day are gonna be the same. Every day can't be the same. You know that cartel there? Every day can't be the same. Every day can't be the same. Yes man, it feel like every day are gonna be the same where you can't come and beg out and she fly you up back. You never know say I know you that still lock. Lock you and tie up on one boat down at the bottom of sea bottom. Just look next door you see L.A. Lewis mark on one ship down there. Yes.
Listen, I was dying. I felt safe being among that group of people on social media. I felt safe.
The woman will allow you to bring down her platform and bring her, make people bring her down. When you go out, they're gonna make trouble. Yes, man.
I
Obsession, I beat your bad.
I will not forgive you for this one.
She don't need you to forgive
Come
her.
and tell us, oh,
Are you a seek validation? She not seek none from you. Then alright. You could have come out and come cuss to your eye blue. You could have come out and come tell her about her mother and how she come at Jamaica, how she get to come from the land of birth. That now stop and say nothing. Because all the way you cuss her about, all the way you cuss her about as she make you know. As she come out here come talk, I never no secret to wanna go dig up and find. So you can't cuss people about things when them come out here come make uno know. Because if it was secret to her like that, she wouldn't make uno know. Because she never have no need for make uno know. But the good thing about it, as I said, is when you can remember your past, feel free to share your past because you left out of your past and you're gone in a future now and your future bright. That is how you motivate people. Why you think she could have able to tell you her past? It's not like she were forced to tell us her past, you know, or where she coming from or what she used to do, you know. She did not force to and she never have to. But what? She use it to motivate others. All they hear them a talk about she not motivate this and she can't motivate this and she can't tell nobody nothing because all she talk about how her granny used to cook and where her granny used to grate and what kind of pudding. Those are the things that she use and come out here to motivate others who might find themselves in the same position and feel like life is not worth living. I am coming from there with you. I was there also. Me might go through more than you. You might go through more than me, but at least see me here today. Same like how me pull out of my rebel. Same like how me go through my hard deal. And could have there so today, you can do it too. That's what you call motivation. Because there's a lot of people out there who have a terrible past. A lot of happenings going on presently in them life. We used to go on in my life, Donna life, other people's life who can live comfortable now on a certain level because you have different levels. You understand? And when we can come out here and speak of our past, we can motivate somebody in the same position than we and make them know say one day just work towards it. Once you have that ambition and that will and that drive, God will be in the vessel to help you to carry you to where He wants you to go. Or where you wish to go. You ask Him for what you want and He will deliver. But you have to help yourself because Him saying help those that help themselves. Just by telling our past, we motivate someone else who feel like life not worth living. Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. I don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video and please to watch the ads. Please. And both channels. Continue to support the Life is a Mission TV channel on YouTube. If you're not subscribed yet, I ask you to go ahead and subscribe. Follow me up on TikTok also, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, go support the merge. About 6 cube of ice in this. From us about what time now? After minutes to 4. And I have that from 10 o'clock. And about 3 different times before this juice. Plus water. And here I see them here. To support the merge. Support the tumblers them. Real stainless steel. Keep your beverage cold for a long while. Full this of ice. Go to work in the morning and in the evening you still have ice. Not to mention new people who live into America who have that cold climate. Judge me when live in Jamaica where hot so. And it a keep much as uno. Probably tomorrow no have ice. If you put your hot beverage in it, your porridge, your soup and you lock that, it's the same thing because it keep cold and hot beverage at temperatures. Alright? Go support the merge. My t-shirt them over there. Speak My Mind t-shirt, Life is a Mission t-shirt, the caps over there, Speak My Mind caps. There's so much thing on the website of charms and trends. Anything you want, you get it customized. That's a good reason to shop with Charms and Trends. Quality goods, affordable price, and you get the opportunity to request what you want. We have tumblers with angle, tumblers without angle, tumblers in all different shape, cocomelon bottles for the kids, water bottles for the gym goers, and specialize. Bless upon yourself. Peace out.